Assalamu alaikum. My name is Najaf Ali Shah. Today, my topic is why do people fail in their life? I think people fail in their life because they live their life in comfort zone. Let me tell you what is comfort zone. Comfort zone means when you don't give maximum time to your work, when you don't work hard, when you don't take much interest in your work, when you don't become very much serious about your work, and when you don't become determined, when you're not determined about your work. So when you do not have these qualities, it means you are living your life in comfort zone. Let me make it more clear with an example. Suppose you want to appear in any competitive exam like CSS or PCS. Now you don't prepare well. You don't give maximum time to your preparation. You don't give maximum time to your studies. You don't work harder and harder. You don't take much interest as much as you need to do. You need to take. You don't become very much serious and you are not determined enough. Your determination fluctuates. Sometimes you think you're highly determined, you think you can pass exams. Sometimes your determination goes down, you think you may fail. So when you live your life in this way, when you do not have these all qualities, it means you are living your life in comfort zone. And by being in comfort zone, living your life in this way, having absence of these qualities, I think it is impossible to pass competitive exam. So you want to pass competitive exam, but you do not have these qualities. You do not have this struggle. It means you are living your life in comfort zone. So the people who live their life in comfort zone, they do not become successful in future. So you will have to shift your zone. You will have to shift from comfort zone into combat zone. What is combat zone? Combat zone means when you give maximum time to your work, when you work harder and harder for your work, when you take too much interest in your work, when you are very much serious about your work, when you are highly determined about your work, you are dead sure that you can pass your competitive exam well. So when you have these qualities, when you have this struggle, it means now you have full chances of being successful. You can become successful. So now you have to shift from comfort zone into combat zone. So when you shift from comfort zone into combat zone, then you have complete chances of becoming successful. So you must have seen in your life that the people who do struggles, who live their life in combat zone, whose life is full of struggle, they are always successful. And on the other hand, the people who live their life in comfort zone and they want to become successful, it is impossible. Let me tell you that if you live a lazy life, when there is no struggle in your life, it means you are in comfort zone. So when your life is full of struggle, when your life is very active, when you work harder and harder, you give maximum time, it means you are living your life in combat zone and you can surely become successful. So try to live your life in combat zone so that you can become successful. Now let me give another example. It is not related to studies, but I would like to give it so that I may make my point more clear. That suppose you gained your weight, you become very fat. Now you want to lose your weight, you want to shape your body. Now you live your life in comfort zone. You are in comfort zone. Suppose you don't give maximum time to exercise. You need to give many hours to your exercise, but you don't give. You don't work harder in exercise. Do not take interest in exercise. You think that it is very boring, it is very fatiguing, and you are not very much serious and you are not determined. You always feel that you may not be able to lose your weight, you may not be able to shape your body. So when you think like this, it means when you do like this, it means you are living your life in comfort zone. And being in comfort zone, if you think that you will shape your body, you will lose your weight, it is impossible to do all this. Now what you need to do, all you need to do is to shift from comfort zone into combat zone. Now try to give maximum time to your exercise every day. Try to work harder in your exercise, and take too much interest in exercise that it is very useful for you, it is good for you, make it the part of your life. And try to be serious in exercise and in your aim of life, and try to be determined, be very much determined that and you can shape your body, you can lose your weight, it is possible. So when you're highly determined and when you have all these qualities, it means you are living your life in combat zone, and now you can shape your body and you can lose your weight. So from these examples, I simply want to make it clear to you that if you want to become successful, if you want to do any difficult thing in your life, impossible thing in your life, you can do that. But the thing is that you need to be in combat zone. So when you are in combat zone, things are easy to be done. But when you are in comfort zone and you think of doing something special, something difficult, then I think it is impossible. So always live a life of struggle. Try to give maximum time to your work. Try to work hard. Try to take too much interest in your work, and be serious enough and be determined enough. When you possess these all qualities, I am dead sure that you will become successful. I hope that I made my lecture clear to you, what is comfort zone, what is combat zone, and in order to become successful, you need to be in combat zone rather than in comfort zone. So I hope it is clear to you. Thanks for watching this video, and next time I would come with another video for you. Thank you.